Today, we're going to make these 2012 and up Volkswagen Beetle headlights with the custom RGB LED ColorFlow inserts work. Hopefully. Stay tuned. So yeah, stay tuned for when these are buttoned up and maybe on the car. I got some work to do. This one's ugly. The lenses are gross. That's glue on the inside. That's glue on the inside. Again, hazy lens. This one I learned my lesson. You can see this one fits in there real nice. I took my time and cut the back out on that one.
Power off.
Okay. I did the same thing for this one, but I couldn't figure out a way to mount it. And I'll be honest, I got to get back in there and see how I mounted that one. I don't exactly remember, but there will be a finish up video on all these, and maybe you'll see them in the car one day. Or maybe I'll try and make them look as good as I can and sell them off to somebody cheap and see if they want to take on the project. It'd be a lot easier if I had had the tools at the time. I now have them, but we'll see. We'll see where it goes. But I just want to show you that they work and they are all put together. They're not the prettiest, but they're pretty cool prototype, I think, anyway. All right, later, taters.